I got me a bushel of corn, picking them ears till the field is shorn. Full bloody harvest, dandelion moon, frogs croaking in the pond, laughter of a loon. Hooty woody woody oughta doody oughta day. Hooty woody woody oughta doody oughta day. Chicken farm! Chicken farm! None of my chickens comes to harm. Someone tries to take her, I'll kick him in the pecker. Hooty woody woody oughta doody oughta day. Someone tries to wreck her, I'll kick him in the pecker. Hooty woody woody oughta doody oughta day. Digging up the taters, glad I'm not a waiter, feeling nice and warm on my chicken farm. Hooty woody woody oughta doody oughta day. 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 Chicken farm, none of my chickens comes to harm. Someone tries to wreck her, I'll kick him in the pecker. Hooty woody woody oughta doody oughta day. Hooty woody woody oughta doody oughta day. Get down. Digging up the taters, glad I'm not a waiter, feeling nice and warm on my chicken farm. Digging up the taters, glad I'm not a waiter, feeling nice and warm on my chicken farm. Hooty woody woody oughta doody oughta day. 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 Frost on the pumpkin, look at all the junk in my backyard. Golden bloody harvest, dandelion moon, frogs croaking in the pond, laughter of the loon. Oughta hooty woody woody oughta doody oughta day. 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 Granny, grab your girdle. Jerry's got a turtle. Foreign barn. Ernie's ass, don't make me wake your father. Hot and bothered he'd be after a losing bout with a bottle. He'll throttle you, little fool, and then we'll see if you're really too sick to go to school. Dog howls, your father'll have its bowels for breakfast. Chuck the mud up, the guppies need feeding, they're breeding again, and now there's twice as many as there were on Monday. Earache my Ernie's ass. English class, you better pass, and it's 8:30. You'll be late, and I'll be hell to pay. Ernie's way. And you know there's nothing to sneeze at, Matt. Betty Bye's done. Son, on the floor. Into your sneakers, have a s'more. Gulp the juice and out the door. Onto the bus, into the schoolyard. 16 is drool hard, but we expect so much of you, so don't let us down. Make something of yourself while we're still around to see ya.